So, good evening, friends. We will start the event now. So, on behalf of management of St.Mother Engineering College, principal, HOD, staff, and students, I welcome you all for this webinar. Today's webinar title is Entrepreneurship and Innovation as a Career Opportunity, and we have our resource person as Mr. Sankar Ganesh, who is managing director of EDOT Technologies, Tirunelveli. Actually, Babu Sankar Ganesh sir completed his BE degree from Anna University. Since then, he started the EDOT Technologies in Tirunelveli. The company was initially a training company, and now it has been grown into a service provider to the industries. He has served more and more industries in and around our state, Tamil Nadu, and he is now expanding his horizon to other states also, like Kerala, Andhra, and Telangana, etc. His horizon is now expanding. So he is a very good entrepreneur. That's why we have called him. Apart in amidst of his busy schedule, we have called sir to deliver a webinar on the entrepreneurship and innovation as career opportunity. So thank you for accepting our call, sir, and I hand over the session to sir. Sir, the session is yours.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We start the entrepreneurship program now. So here, hello, sir. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Today I have to talk about the importance of entrepreneurship and development, and its role is growth of economic and competitiveness. So nowadays, the entrepreneurship has been driving force beyond innovation. It created job creation and wealth generation for centuries. Individual opportunity, the idea is reliability is very important to create a new product and service and solve the problem in their life. So the entrepreneurship is very useful for society for growing country development, economics, and job opportunity. So entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business. It is about taking a risk, then creative, and having determination to success. It requires a unique set of skill and qualities, such as adaptability, then willingness to learn. So entrepreneurship, they can not only support the individual success, but also drive the economic growth and improve the quality of the life for everyone. So government, organization, and individual to invest the entrepreneurship development programs and initiate for support, resource, and entrepreneurs. So the main session, we move what is the job opportunity, then startup companies available in electrical department. We deeply studied the full and startup company development system. Okay. So first we go for share my PPT. Share my PPT, please log in. Share my just a minute. Please ping my you want to see my PPT? Okay, sir. Okay. Yes. So future and next generation engineers as we see the what are the job opportunities in next generation engineers. First of all, public sectors, private sector, and self-employment. The system is in three parts: public sectors and private sectors, and self-employment. In public sectors, so many public sector, railway department, Indian Army, the gas industry, then DRDO, well, NTPC, irrigation department, NSSO, IPC, LTNEP. So many public sectors are available for engineers, for next generation engineers, for job opportunity in electrical and electronic engineers. In private sectors, airlines and communication firms, then Bharat, Airtel, Reliance, so many private companies, and computer engineering companies, automobile company, electrical power systems, then it's on rivers, Voltas, Indigo's, SpiceJet, then Jet Airways. So many private companies are also job opportunity for engineers. Self-employment, that means of startup companies. The startup companies, electrical engineers, I think 3 or 4 companies are now growing e-vehicle system, then drone development, and renewable energy power generation, then aiding light production system. This type of companies developing a company for new startup engineers. So we discuss about e-vehicle startup company. Okay. How to start the e-vehicle company? What are the need in e-vehicle, and why you go for e-vehicle system? We will discuss about that e-vehicle system. So e-vehicle system. So e-vehicle system is a future and next generation system. I see the so many. Yeah. So normally the conventional automobile engineers, the automobile engineering system is petrol and diesel. But in conventional, that means of hybrid vehicle, that is battery and electric motor and battery operated vehicle. These type of vehicles also available for railway automobile system. Third, a plug-in hybrid system. That means battery is a larger battery in regular hybrid, and also it operates in electrical motor also. It's a long range, but the distance is medium. It operates electricity or gas. Fuel source is electricity or gas. This vehicle is called plug-in hybrid vehicle. The fourth vehicle is electric vehicle. It powered by electric motor, it is long distance, and the source is electricity. So it has no battery, that means a large battery, lithium-ion, lithium battery, but no gas engine, and the torque is also high. So the battery-powered electric vehicle, first is conventional gas vehicle, then conventional hybrid vehicle, then third one, that is a plug-in hybrid vehicle, then fourth is battery-powered vehicle. So nowadays the battery-powered electric vehicles are mostly launched and it's successful. Then know the EV charging station. The increase of electrical vehicle, the increasing of electrical vehicle, number of electrical vehicle can be increased. There is charging station also need. So you need for charging station, the charging station point, that means of the e-vehicle can be charged by the different type of potential, that means of voltage. Some vehicles has 120 volts single phase AC, and some vehicles 240 volts, and some vehicles 3 phase 480 volts, something like this. Approximately the charging point need for 20 amps for single phase that means of 110 volt. In 240 volt we need for 80 amps. In 3 phase it needs for 125 amps also. So different type of charging current also need for charging electrical vehicle. And also the charging station need the capacity of charging station is minimum 2 kilowatt for 110 volt and minimum 20 kilowatt for single phase, minimum 100 kilowatt, approximately 90 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt for 3 phase. The charging type of vehicle is 3 to 5 miles per hour. In single phase, 10 to 20 miles per hour. In 3 phase, 20 to 30 minutes, it charge 80%. It reach approximately 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. So, the electrical vehicle, next generation electrical vehicle, need for charging station. The charging station also, different type of charging station is need for short term. The charging station is 110 volt, then 230 volt, there is single phase and 3 phase. The charging level. The level of charging means in Tesla company using the plug type charging system. Plug type means the electrical vehicle is a regular outline and level of charging the vehicle can use for 2J1772 plugs. In Tesla company is required the adapter name is J1772 plug-in system. So charging plug is a different type of charging press is available in the market. That means of in standard single phase, then 3 phase, and 110 volt and 220 volt. In DC fast charging plugs also available. In DC fast charging, 24 volt, 48 volt, then 110 volt, 220 volt, and 480 volt. So different type of charging plugs also need for charging plug. That means of charger also used for e-vehicle system. Then third important business of electrical vehicle is finding of charging station. So you go to any outside using an electric vehicle, you need for you find the charging station. You need charging station. So the job opportunity, that means of the startup companies are need for startup companies, website development of and apps, then alternative field, that means of data centers, charging hub, then in-car support. So many type of charging station, so many type of that means a back-end job opportunity also made for electrical vehicle. Then in electrical vehicle, what are the benefit of electrical vehicle? You know, so many benefits are there. In electrical vehicle, its operating cost is less and pollution is less, and also powered. There is electrical vehicle powering system useful for economic, because of in fuel cost is more for in petrol and diesel. So we go for electrical vehicle is best for future development. In growth of electrical that means a battery electrical vehicle in 2014. Maybe 1,000 to 2,000 vehicles, but in 2020, approximately annually the electrical vehicle sales is increasing 10,000 like this. But in 2024, it is raised from 10,000 to 40,000. So the electrical vehicle charging system that is increased year by year. So the system is more useful for future system. Then electrical vehicle in Ford company and Honda company and Volvo company and General Motors and BMW and Toyota. So many companies are developing different type of model for e-vehicle cars for future development. The electrical vehicle, 52 states in USA, it operates by the DC system. In heavy 20 electric vehicle, in 30 to 45% are emission-free vehicle system is produced by the USA in 2030. In 2050, 100% heavy-duty vehicles with the zero emission system can be developing and it used for this operation system. So nearly electric vehicle system increasing the rating of sales and also productions and so many things that the electrical vehicle can be future develop and it increase. So the startup companies and opportunity and future jobs in electrical vehicle is more and more for next generation engineers. So I explain this PowerPoint for engineers to please concentrate electrical vehicle job opportunity and use this job opportunity for your features. Because of so many automobile company is studying this electrical vehicle in diesel and petrol vehicle e-vehicle system. So the e-vehicle system, the electrical engineers is more important because of the battery management, then BMS, that is the battery management system, and motor driving system, then motor hub tracking system, control system, security system, and automatic charging station, automatic charging finding station, cloud, and so many opportunities are developing for a vehicle system. So the electrical vehicle in future job opportunity, I think it more and more because of the e-vehicle is only for electrical engineers getting a good opportunity for his future. So electrical engineers, please concentrate in your studies and please learn the power electronics and power drives and what type of motor, BLDC motor, SRO motor. So many, you studied the basic of so many different types of special machines motor and concentrate your power electronic devices like inverter, drives, then DC converter, DC boost converter, then solar operated charging system, renewable energy wind operated charging system, grid connected charging system, and bidirectional charging system and fast charging system. So many type of electrical power devices are that is circuits are available. So please concentrate that technology and that subject to learn and to learn basic knowledge. The means of you can learn your studies for this type of converters. You get a most chance for working of electrical vehicle. So electrical engineers, I think in future the development and operating system is more on. So next, the employment opportunities in self-employment opportunities is in, I think, solar-based erection service. So solar system, you know what is solar system? Solar system is important for production of power system in that is all over world. It need, but India to go through 30 to 40% of power from different type of states move into renewable energy. And Tamil Nadu government also producing solar power from in our electricity board. More concentrate for developing power and also taking of power from the solar station and the different dry area, that means of rural area, the solar panel can be developed. In solar panel based agriculture system, the solar powered agriculture system, solar power pumping system, then solar power power production from the roof and the complex, and so many industries also invested for solar power generation and injecting power into grid, taking a power from the solar system. So solar panel erection service and solar panel implementation, solar panel maintenance, solar panel operating system. So many solar based companies also, startup company developing different type of panels and erecting different type of panels. In I think in Tirunelveli, in Kavaikundan, mass production, that means of last month I think taking 500 to 1,000 engineers taking a job engineers and to develop developing of solar panel erection systems. So the solar erection system, the solar panel erection service and developing system company is more important for future electrical engineers. And in agriculture field, the solar panel and pumping system. Pumping system is based on the DC motor. DC motor, 440 volt DC motor. They operate pump, and it used for agriculture irrigation system. Because of the pumping is based on the DC motor, it is a maintenance-free system because of no need for drives and no need for converter inverters. So the agriculture department, solar panel and battery, and there is no need for battery, solar panel and that means of motor. Two type of component to get a power, that means of getting a pumping system to deliver the water for irrigation system. So solar-based companies also, the software companies also developing and increasing the job opportunity. The third, electrical control panel servicing system. The electrical control panel servicing system is more essential for all industries. In any industry, first we install the electrical control panel system, and other than the machineries and other things are installation. First, you install the electrical control panel service system. The control panel service system is based on PLC, microcontroller, and digital logic circuits. So DCS or IoT system. So many things are creating for developing, increasing the production. So the electrical control panel servicing is more and more useful for electrical engineers for developing his job. The electrical control system, normally the PLC based electrical control wiring system is important for production system, firefighting system, safety system, and also in case of any emergency situation, it operates with a remote system, automation system, robotic system. So many CNC rating system. So many type of production industry or production companies need for controlling its equipment, need and control its product. Need for PLC or microcontroller or DCS or IoT or any SCADA system is need for controlling this company already factory. So the panel, that means a PLC based panel wiring system, is most important for electrical engineers. Then third one is generator installation. The basic system, but every company need for backup power, so need for generator installation. Then generator installation, normally the engine is driven by the diesel engine or any other engine, and it run by the alternator. The alternator output is get and equipped with equipment or industry for backup power. In modern generating system, the IoT connected generating system also available. So the electrical engineer know the IoT and cloud and communication system for erection work. Because of all modern technology and modern generating system, it only for connecting the IoT in and the IoT in his product. So the electrical engineer must know the cloud and IoT system for developing his future opportunity. Then motor winding. The motor winding for the special machines and induction motor and large size of induction motor, large size of PMSM motor, or large size of SRM motor. The winding is must. In any machineries, it operates by the motor. The motor is controlled by the drive. So the drive is operate the motor by using the power electronic device. So the power electronic device is connected to the electrical motor directly. It operates and create a magnetic flux and it rotate and it get the output. In case of any high current, high torque or any problem, the motor winding is damaged. It can be replaced and it can be managed. The means of any servicing work, the motor rewinding work is also the means of motor rewinding software also need for communication between the electrical engineers. Then finally, that means of biomedical equipment technology is a developing technology and also need for electronic engineers. Electronic engineers is most useful for this biomedical technology system. In biomedical technology system, MRI scan, X-rays, and ultrasonic based Doppler system. So many analytical equipment, the lab equipments are operated by the software and analytical motors, drives, and lighting system, laser gun. So many things are operated by the electrical system. So electrical engineers, the startup company and electrical job opportunity in electrical field is most next generation job opportunities in biomedical equipment technology. Then third one is robotic technology. So robot technology, you know the robot, the automation process. The automation process means of robot operated welding system, robot operated material handling system, robot operated conveying system, robot operated good handling system. So many operating system is run by the automation is run by the robotic technology. So robotic technology it operates by the or it handle or it install and maintenance by the electrical engineer. In the robotic system, the mechanical and electrical, that means of the robot arm, the robot piston, robot hand, robot gripper, robot soldier, robot pistons are operated by the manufactured by the mechanical department. But the drive of robotic arm, the drive of motor, drive of soldier, drive of gripper is operated by the motor only. The motor is stepper motor, BLDC motor, or hub motor, or servo motor like that. So the motor, the stepper motor, servo motor, or BLDC motor, it drive by the power electronic. That means of BLDC drive, or the servo motor drive, or power drive. That the power drive is the power electronic device is MOSFET or IGBT. So many high current applications, the IGBTs are used. So the IGBT based drives are IGBT based drive boards, IGBT based sensors, that means of electronic sensor, communication system. So the robotic system in backend of electrical system, the robotic system is operated by the electrical system only. So electrical engineers go to robotic operation, that means of robotic technology, and operate the electrical equipment. So the servicing of electrical equipment, the operating of electrical equipment is mostly need for servicing, installation, and maintenance. So many work in startup companies for its development purpose. So in electrical engineers, so many type of job opportunities available in future opportunity for next generation engineer. First of all, public sector, private sector, self-employment, e-vehicle system, and LED lighting system, then water servicing system, then home solar power generating system. So many type of self-employment opportunities available in electrical engineers for his future job. In government sector, you know the BEL, the Metro Atomic Power Corporation, Kodamala Nuclear Power Plant, and Metro Trains, and self-employment, the panel erection, e-bikes, control panel, then panel wiring, PLC system, and power transformer installation and service, then generator installation and service, motor rewinding system, then industrial electrical technician. That means in any industry, electrical engineers is most important for operate the sensor-based company, automation-based company or sensor-based company. The electrical technician is must needed because of the sensors. Connect the sensor and it is connected to the electrical board and electronic board, and the board is programmed by the technician. The program is developed by the PLC program or the embedded program or IoT program. So the need for a different type of program apply the electronic device and it operate the process. So the process is operated and done by the technicians only. So the electrical electronics engineers need for industrial automation plant. So industrial automation plant, the CNC plant or civil industry or the textile industry or any chemical industry or flower production industry or food production industry. Any industries need for automation. In automation, the automation done by the sensors, control panel, control boards, communication system, and software. So the 4 to 5 type of board and applications are used for technician, the electrical technician, to develop the startup for different type of applications. Students, different type of electrical application and different type of electrical systems are available for your future scope to increasing your knowledge. So first of all, you increase your knowledge and to get your knowledge is first. Then you can develop your startup company. You know? So the startup company developed by the individuals. The individual can develop startup companies. You know? So I explain different type of product. That means of IoT product. What are the type of IoT products is available? And what are the IoTs are there? I will explain this. What are the companies, IoT companies are there? Different type of IoT companies are used for developing for future product. I will explain a different type of product available in your features. Okay. First, IoT based smart education. IoT based smart education means using IoT, different type of process. That means of IoT product. That you know, the IoT product is. So Internet of Things. Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things? You can control the electrical appliances. You first can control any type of application. That means of security system or biomedical system, agriculture department. So many type of system to control by the IoT. That means of Internet of Things. So first of all, I explain home security system. So home security system. The smart home security system is completely controlled and it operated by the IoT technology and intelligent technology. That means how high definition video directly to smartphone, so we can access your home from anywhere in the world. Then in biomedical department, you can monitoring the glucose from your mobile phone. That means talk to mobile phone and read the data from the remote end. Then hydroponic system. In hydroponic system is fully automated hydroponic system for plants to control anywhere in the world. That means of irrigation purpose and other purpose. Then smart tanks. Smart tanks means in case of you can read the gases or read the any fuel tank or petrol tank or gas tank or any oil companies used for a smart tank IoT system. In smart tank IoT system, you can access this level of the gas or level of the oil in anywhere in the world using the smartphone. Then sprinkler control system. The sprinkler control system is used for the gardens and agriculture department for control the sprinklers to handling different type of operation. Then smart washing machine. In Indian companies introducing a smart washing machine. The washing machine for industrial for a smart ecosystem to covering the wide range of cases. You can access your washing machine anywhere in the world, and also you can control the washing machine, that is on and off, and control the washing machine speed, timing, and cloth type. So many things are controlled by your mobile phone from remote place. That is important. And the food industry also develop different type of startups. And the electrical fork is connected by the IoT system, so everyone can eat the food. The fork memory the data of the customer food type, customer food quantity, what customer food calorie. So many type of data and knowledges are collected by the fork, and it indicate or support or give you data to the food development department. So the food development department is collect the data and it manage the customer is how to develop the something like this. Then hub, that means of battery hub. It is fully charging hub. It fully wireless free charging system. It is used for charging different type of gadgets. A smart toothbrush. The smart toothbrush is for biomedical and dentist need for scanning your teeth from different type of engaging user in daily hygienic routines or so many things are there. And the smart egg tray. In smart egg tray, the egg tray is developed by your fridge available eggs are not in the nearest shop. In case of the eggs are completed, the nearest shop person can collect the eggs and give to your home, deliver the home. That is important for smart egg tray. And smart AC, you know, the AC is controlled by the mobile phone. That means of IoT device. And also Bluetooth enabled insoles. The shoes are connected with Bluetooth and it navigate direction orientation in case of women safety system. So many things are there. So the different type of product, the women safety system, insole system, the Bluetooth enabled system. Automatic swing analyzer. It is used for sports industry, specifically for downloading the app and get the how many strokes are using for collecting the balls. So you can sense the ball movement and also getting the data from the swinging analyzer. Then blood pressure monitoring system in biomedical industry. And smart weather station for government for collecting the different type of pollutions in the different type of places and also different type, different area and different weather station in industry, and we collect the temperature, rate, humidity, CO2, and the nitrogen gases. Then smart slow cooker. The cooker is operated by the smartphone for control the food timing, food temperature, so on things. Then robotic spider. The robotic spider is connected to the Wi-Fi and it operates different type of nets and different type of cameras like this. Okay. Then smart tennis racket. So tennis racket means of in case of the sport players connected to the mobile phone, so it connected and how many times the balls are stroked the bat, and also it calculate the speed of the ball and also calculate the sportsman hand power, then the stroke length. So many data are collected from the tennis bat from the wireless system and it connected to the communication system. So you go for IoT for sort of different type of sports industries also develop. In smart bike system, smart garbage cans. The cans are filled. It automatically inform to corporation. So the corporation vehicle can come and collect the garbages. So the garbages is also smart garbages for use for connecting the different connecting the corporation department and collect the waste from immediately. And also making assistant. That means of how to make roti and other nons and also many things are collected from the remote end using the startup companies. Then petnet means of feeding your food from your pet animals from anywhere in the world. So you can access the app. So you can send the data, the means of quantity of food, type of food, then timing. You can enter this, the petnet system connected to app, and it gives the your pet animal food supplying frequently and regularly and reliably. And smart gardening system also available for smartphone. Then smart locking system and smart sensing system. Then red lighting system. That means of ambulance system. In case of any ambulance occurred, the ambulance direction, live location, so many things are connected to the traffic system. The traffic is clear, and the ambulance is clear. So the red lighting system for ambulance to detect the Wi-Fi technology, cloud technology, for clear the traffic. So different type of, so many type of product available in market and also in startups. So entrepreneurship, different type of job opportunity is available. So smart security, Bluetooth, the hydroponic system, sprinkler system, smart lighting system, washing machine, then toothbrushes, like tray, board, human safety, sports department, then smart train, weather serving system, weather station, slow cooker, robotic slider, tennis racket, electric bike, garbage, then rope, pet net, smart gardening, then smart cardio measuring system for bicycle rider, smart door locking system, then sensing system for a smart device for sleep behavior of patients. You can connect the system in the patient. You can watch the patient health care. That means of sleeping, heartbeat. So many things are collected and give the doctor for the collecting the information to the doctor. The doctor knows the patient conditions. Then the retailing system is used for ambulance for getting the data. Data means the ambulance is coming from the which direction. The system can clear the route of the vehicle. Okay. Then third job opportunity is drone development. Okay. So you know drone. So drone is an important system. Drone in industry today. So drone is an important system in India, and developing of different type of drones are available in the market. So different type of drones. So first of all, I will share some more video. Okay. Sir, have you seen my video, sir? Okay, sir, thanks. So, in drone development, in last month, I think last month, the government has launching drone, launching agriculture drone. That means of the purpose of drones are used for agriculture purpose. In agriculture purpose, the fertilizers are most important for farmer. And also the drones are used for military purpose also. So collecting the information from the enemy's area, whether the enemy movement. So many things are collected from the drone, a miniature drone, and attacking drones, and spy drone, and fighting drones. So many aerospace drones are developed by the India. That means of making India. So the drones are used for different type of applications. So the government launching and government sponsors. The government create a more opportunity. We focus in drone-based product. So the electrical engineers concentrate this type of drones for rescue department. That means of rescue in a disorder condition. The drones are come and rescue the persons. Yeah. So the drones are used for different type of application for agriculture, rescue department, survey department, mapping department, and in Amazon, the material delivering department. That means a postal department and courier department and GPS mapping system. That means in civil engineers need for mapping. Mapping means survey. Survey the land. So many things the drones are used in future generation, future technology. So drone is only for handling the different type of application. So the UAV, switch over to UAV. UAV means unmanned aerial vehicle. The unmanned aerial vehicle business and unmanned aerial vehicle navigation, unmanned vehicle military system, unmanned aerial vehicle operating system is more important. So the students, I think you can get a knowledge or you can interested. You go and concentrate about this UAV based product and startups. So the UAV is fully for electrical engineer based product. You know, the motor system, the high speed motor. That means a brushless DC motor. 4 or 6 motors are used for drone. And also the battery, like the core battery, the weightless core battery is used. Then control system. That means of motor driving system. The sensor system. That means GPS, MEM sensor, altitude sensor, then direction sensor, gyroscopic sensor, temperature sensor, attitude sensor, then MEM sensor. That means of direction sensor, wireless system, communication system, Wi-Fi. So all the equipment in the drone is based on only electrical equipment only. So the engineers, that means of electrical engineers, so concentrate this type of technology. That means of drone technology, electrical vehicle technology, solar technology, and panel technology. That means a PLC system. So 4 type of technology for future generation of electrical engineers. Most important and more job opportunities available. So you go and study the depth knowledge of this type of technology. So surely I hope that you can get a more job and more individual. So you can start. I think you start the startup for above technology. Today I read my newspaper. Some village engineers. That means of I think it's Namakal engineers. The Namakal engineer developed a small startup. That means of I think 1 or 2 persons. 1 or 2 persons. You start first 1 or 2 persons. His name like this. Beam technology. That the guy's name is Srinivasa. He is studied in only diploma engineers. I think the village's name is Valayapatti. Today newspaper, Gurgrama, that means of rural area. Rural area, he start a startup. The startup company name is Beam Technology. He start his company only for the amount is only in 10,000. But today, Beam Technology is turnover 30 to 20 crores per year. So, first of all, in 5 to 6 years, he developed these companies. I read today St.Mother paper in today morning. I read the article name is village to startup. The startup company is Beam Technology. So the students, please don't please do not let's say hope. Please study well and different type of courses, and you must get a good startup. Start a startup company, and also you have developed your knowledge. Okay, so all of us concentrate your subject is first. Then second, you studied external courses. That means of PLC, embedded something, external courses. And third, concentrate and carefully select your domain. Domain means area. If you are interested, then you can go to that area and develop your knowledge and get a good result. Thank you, student. Thank you for this opportunity, Dr. Ayappan sir. Thank you, sir. And thank you for the institute. Thank you, HODs and staff member and students, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Participants, if you have any queries, you can ask. Participants, if you have any queries, you can ask now. Participants, do you have any queries? Shall we propose vote of thanks?
Okay, sir.
So, on behalf of management of St.Mother Engineering College, principal, HOD, staff and students, I thank Mr.Babu Sankar Ganesh sir, who is very good in the entrepreneur in the area of Tirunelveli, and he is expanding his horizons across pan-India. Also, I thank all participants for their active participation in the event. So, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.